Because task analysis is so important to human factors engineering, it's really important that you become skilled in carrying it out. There are some specific methods that you can use to document your analyses, and that does guide you on what you need to do. But really you are very reliant on input from yourself and others about the types of tasks that are performed, how they're performed, and what can go wrong. Now, during the concept select phase, you are really looking at that historical knowledge, looking at similar systems, looking at the tasks that were performed, knowing what had gone wrong in the past, and also maybe bringing information from accidents as well. If you understand what was happening at the time of an accident, you can start to see what you need to do in your design to avoid it happening in the future. As you progress to the define phase, you need to be moving more away from just looking historically and imagining how the system is going to operate in the future, imagining how that design is going to materialize. During the execute phase, you're really documenting your analyses based on the as-built design. Now, you can't be 100% accurate at this point because you will need to operational experience from that specific system, but the closer you can get at this stage, the better your assessments are going to be. So, as projects develop, at the start, you're really relying on historical information, and as the project develops, it's more about imagination of how is the system going to function in the future. So the better you can imagine that, the better your analyses are going to be, and the better they're going to support the design process.